In today's homes, sliding glass doors are focal points that need stylish yet functional window treatments. Just as typists and gamers look for the right gear to improve comfort and performance, homeowners want blinds that bring privacy, light control, and durability to these large openings. This guide evaluates the best blinds for sliding glass doors based on material quality, ease of installation, light control options, design layout.
Product number 1. Shakology Vertical Blinds. The Shakology Vertical Blinds are a versatile and attractive option for sliding glass doors. Known for combining durability with a clean aesthetic, these blinds fit seamlessly into modern and traditional decor. Made from a high-quality fabric, they offer strong light filtering while maintaining privacy, ideal when you want natural light without full exposure. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included hardware and clear instructions. The blinds operate smoothly on their track, with easy-to-use cords or wand controls that allow you to tilt or slide the panels open with minimal effort. This is especially beneficial on large doors where frequent adjustments are needed throughout the day. A standout feature is the range of sizes and colors available, making it easier to match your interior design. The panels are stain-resistant and easy to clean, which is a huge plus in high-traffic areas like living rooms or kitchens. Over time, the fabric holds up well to wear and sun exposure, reducing curling or fading. While these blinds are not blackout style, they provide excellent soft light diffusion, creating a cozy atmosphere without harsh glare. Whether you're relaxing in the living room, working from home, or enjoying a morning coffee, Shakology blinds deliver a blend of comfort, style, and functionality at a competitive price point.
Product number 2. Laz Blinds Light Filtering Vertical Blinds Replacement Slots. The Laz Blinds Light Filtering Vertical Blinds Replacement Slots are perfect if you're updating or repairing existing vertical blinds on your sliding doors. These replacement slots are designed to fit most standard vertical blind systems, making them a cost-effective option compared to full panel sets. Constructed from durable PVC, the slots offer reliable light filtering, balancing brightness with privacy. This makes them ideal for living spaces where you want soft, natural light without harsh sun rays. The material cleans easily with a damp cloth, and the fade-resistant finish helps maintain vibrant color over time. Installation is simple. The slots easily snap into your existing headrail, and the universal design means they're compatible with most hardware. If you're replacing damaged or outdated slots, this product can rejuvenate the look of your blinds without the expense of full replacements.
Product number 3. 3 Honey Temporary Blinds 6 pieces 35 by 110-inch pleated shades. The 3 Honey Temporary Blinds are an excellent short-term solution for sliding glass doors, especially for renters or seasonal needs. Sold in a pack of 6, these pleated shades are designed for quick setup with no tools, trimming, or drilling required. This makes them ideal when you need instant privacy or sun control without permanent installation. Each shade features an adhesive backing, allowing it to attach directly to the door frame. The paper-like fabric does a respectable job of diffusing sunlight, reducing glare, and offering privacy while retaining a light, airy feel. The pleated design also adds a neat, uniform look that fits many decor styles. While these blinds aren't as robust as traditional vertical panels, they hold up well for temporary or occasional use, such as in rentals, guest rooms, or vacation homes. Because they're cut to size, you can customize them to fit non-standard door widths without professional help. The biggest advantage is convenience. No measuring tapes, drills, or brackets are needed, just peel and stick. However, because the material is thinner, long-term durability and heavy-duty light blocking are limited compared to PVC or fabric vertical blinds. For those seeking a temporary, budget-friendly, and tool-free solution, 3 Honey's pleated shades deliver great performance with minimal effort. They're also easy to remove at the end of a lease or season without leaving damage behind.
Product number 4. Daleks White Vertical Replacement Blind Slots Sliding Door Window Patio. The Daleks white vertical replacement blind slots are a classic and dependable choice for patio doors and sliding glass entries. These replacement slots are designed with simplicity and durability in mind, and their clean white finish blends seamlessly with most interior palettes. Made from sturdy PVC, these slots resist moisture and wear, making them suitable for high-traffic areas or homes with pets and children. The material is easy to wipe clean, which is a practical advantage in spaces prone to fingerprints and dust buildup. These blinds offer a reliable level of light filtering and privacy, though they're not blackout panels. One of the key benefits is their compatibility with most vertical blind headrails. Whether you're replacing old, damaged slots or updating your interior look, these PVC panels are straightforward to install and maintain. They connect easily to standard carriers and operate smoothly when opening and closing. Products number 5. HMYI Interiors Vertical Shades. The HMYI Interiors vertical shades offer a slightly more refined, decorative approach to sliding door blinds. Designed to combine aesthetics with functionality, these vertical shades feature a smooth fabric finish that softens sunlight while providing ample privacy, ideal for living rooms, dens, or bedrooms with large glass doors. The fabric panels are durable yet lightweight, which supports smooth sliding motion and easy adjustments. A tracked system with a well-engineered headrail ensures consistent performance when drawing the shades open or closed. The result is a premium feel that operates quietly and efficiently. Light control is one of the standout features. These shades block more sunlight than basic PVC slots, which helps protect furniture from UV exposure and reduces glare. While not fully blackout, they strike a great balance, allowing soft diffusion that maintains a pleasant interior ambiance.